And like before getting into the OpenStack and AWS, I'll giving you some information about what type of cloud services and what type of cloud will be available in the market.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is different type of cloud available in the market, like cloud services available. For example, when the customer need their infra like physical, okay, and maybe they need physical up to physical level, and on the top of the physical you will having OS, right?
Yeah.
On the top of the OS you will having a platform, like platform, maybe application database, okay, platform. Top of the platform you will be having application, right?
Yeah.
So like application is maybe any program is something, okay. So if you need if cloud provides up to this level, okay, so we called as IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So they will be providing an instance. They won't provide anything. They will be providing just server, physical server. Okay, you people have to be install your operating system and obviously your database and applications. So the cloud people will be providing only the physical level. There is nothing but IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So some customers they don't want they don't have any resource to install the operating system. They don't have any much idea about administrative stuff, and they need like up to platform level. Up to
Okay.
platform level. So this is be called as PaaS, platform as a service. PaaS, platform as a service. So the cloud providers will be provide you physical server. Top of the physical, they will be installing the operating system, and on the top you having database also installed. You will be getting the database server. If you are a programmer, you will be writing the code and connecting your database. You'll be doing your database. You will be doing your business, right?
Okay.
So that is we called as PAS. Some people doesn't know about anything, so they just want to do the business. They don't know even the programmers, and don't know even how to manage any kind of technical stuff. So in that people getting all those components. Okay, so that is we called as SAS, software as a service. Okay, this can be provided. This can be provided by the cloud providers. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, this is components normally. Okay, and there is different kind of different type of cloud. So like public cloud and private cloud and hybrid and like in the bottom level you have community cloud. Community. Okay, maybe double M. Community cloud. Why? Okay. So and
Yeah.
you heard about public and private, right? I mean, some people hear about public, what is public and what is private, maybe.
Yeah, I heard about public and private clouds are available, but I don't really understand what.
Okay, fine, not an issue. For example, you are the cloud provider. Okay, you are the cloud provider. You are the Amazon. You are Amazon. Okay, you are a CEO of Amazon. You are going to provide a service to the world, right?
Yeah.
So you have the compute system. Will be provide your resources, compute resources, and you have the network system. Will be provide the network resource to the clients. You have the storage. Will be provide the storage to the clients, right?
Yeah.
So I have different kind of clients. Okay, I have a client name is called ICICI and SBI and HDFC. So when ICICI want to access launch his VM, okay, I can create a VM on this box. Okay, I have created one VM for ICICI. When SBI want to create some VMs, I will be create the same the VM also same in the particular node. Okay, this is SBI node. Okay, SBI instance. And when HTTP want to create any instance, I will be creating in the same node. Your same node, same compute node will be having different clients instances. You understood? So the node is nothing but server. It has a lot of virtual instances, and the virtual instances will be from the different customers. So for example, if you are the customers, you don't know about your instance where it is running. Okay, in a traditional environment, you will having the idea about where your operating system is running, what is the name of the server, what is the spec of the server, what is the inventory of the server, everything you know, right? So
Yeah.
in this setup, you don't know where your instance is running. So it is running in a group of public. Right? You understood? It is running in a group of servers. It is in a public cloud. Your resources, the resources can be shared to the public. So the same network, same CPUs can be shared to the different kind of people. Okay. So your computer is running in a group of computers. With a group of computers. This is nothing but public cloud. Okay. You got it now? It is nothing but public cloud.
Yes, I got it.
And when you come to the private, okay,
Is it important now?
you'll be asking, I need a private
Class.
private node for running my instances.
Huh?
I need a private network to running my instances. Everything will be asking privately. I don't want to run any other VMs to run in my box. Right?
Okay.
So in that situation, the cloud provider will be give you the private network and private resources to the particular client. So it is much more costly than public network. Okay?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that is nothing but a private cloud. Also, you can have your private cloud in your office environment with the help of OpenStack. I'll tell you. I'll come again that those things. So in a AWS part, when you ask in the public cloud, once again here some temple function is going on. Let me come back. One second.
Yeah.
2 minutes. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So private means, so like if you want to ask private cloud and to Amazon, they will be give you the separate virtual networking. They will be give you the separate firewall. They will be give you the separate environment to you. So that can be accessible by only by you. Okay, so that is private. Also, you can have your private cloud structure in your office. That can be done by some cloud softwares. Okay, fine. So
Yeah.
this is nothing but private cloud. And hybrid cloud meaning is, for example, once again I'm getting one call. Hello. Vantiya? Okay. So you got it. What is private cloud?
Yes, I got
Okay.
it. So the 1D network which
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can use, no one else.
So you'll be accessing the unique data. I mean unique resources. Okay. So hybrid cloud. Some people want to have their application server on the cloud, and they want to have their database servers on their traditional environment. So they don't want to keep their database data on the cloud. They want to just install their application on the public cloud. So combination of
Okay, like
public and private is nothing but hybrid cloud. So you will have the software to connect both your private data as well as your public data. So the Amazon having the hybrid mechanism, it has helped us to connect your data center to the AWS data center. Okay, through that you'll be doing the business. Okay, so that is hybrid cloud. And
Okay.
community cloud, like for example, Amazon divided the people into the community. Like community meaning is that is depends upon the resource usage. For example,
Okay.
banking, banking and e-commerce and retail. So the client will be doing different kind of businesses, right? And
Yeah.
depends upon the business, your server resource will be vary. So when ICC people want to have any instances on the particular box, I'll be creating that instance in the particular box. So when that particular guy, he is from e-commerce, he want to create 2 GB instances, Amazon will not create that instances on the particular box. So Amazon will be create that particular 2 GB low resources instance on the separate box. Okay, so because
Okay.
if they will be consider banking data will be very important, they will give the better I mean performance to the particular VMs.
Okay, I got it. Like an grouping the peoples based on their categories.
Grouping the people based on their resource utilization.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
so divided into different kind of people, and I mean based on the business they'll be run their instance in the particular zones.
Okay.
Okay, so that is for categorizing the business. Okay, that is nothing but community cloud. So if you
Yeah.
get a VM from the banking community, that may be very cost than e-commerce community. So they will be giving the
Yeah.
load balance to the particular VM. They will be giving much high concept to the particular servers. So that should not be
Yeah.
down always. And if anything happen, they'll be provide you the gold type of platinum kind type of services. Okay, so
Yeah.
that will happen in that particular communities. Okay, so there is nothing but
Yeah.
community cloud. Okay, these are
Got it.
the types of clouds. Okay, and then I'll come to what is the difference between AWS and OpenStack, right?
Yep.
So Amazon initially the guy like already built everything. He has already built the data center. He has already built every automated and virtualized everything. He will be give you the portal. Okay, so in
Yeah.
that you will be creating the code. You will be launching your application and do the business, right?
Yeah.
Suppose suppose you have the hardware, you have the plenty of hardware. I was used for my traditional environment. So I want to create the cloud infrastructure as Amazon build. Okay, you need a cloud software, right? So
Yep.
OpenStack is a software. So it will be help you to build a cloud environment. So in AWS you'll be getting know the UI structure of the cloud. Okay, when you look at the OpenStack, you'll be getting know the internal part of the cloud. So how you are building, how the components are running in the backend, and how it is communicating to your hardware, and how it is interacting with your dashboard. Everything you will be configuring. So and in Amazon they have configured everything. They have engineers. They have done it everything. So if you are going to do in your environment, OpenStack will help you to build a cloud environment. So you will be configuring everything with your own ideas. You got
Yeah.
it.
Got it.
So there is software which is help us to build the infrastructure, cloud infrastructure. So once you configure everything, you'll be get a dashboard. That dashboard will be provided to your client. That your client will be creating their VMs when they need it, right?
Yeah.
So the thing is, the problem is Amazon. He has started the business 10 years back. He went into the higher level. So the business, everything is focused to do. Everybody focused to Amazon. it is much more cheaper than traditional. The people are moving to Amazon. That's why the other people, IBM, HP, traditional environment people, they are looking their business. It is getting degraded. So they have no ideas to run their business, and some people started community. They already worked in Amazon, and they started the new community. They started a new software called OpenStack, and that is open source software. So the IBM and HP, those people following that open source software, they are building their own cloud infrastructure. They are providing the support to their clients. You understood?
Yeah, OpenStack, which is a open source software, and now IBM and HP, they are building their own
Yeah,
software
they are,
related
yeah,
software.
not like OpenStack. They are took the open source OpenStack code, and they are building into their convenience.
Oh,
Okay,
okay,
all
okay.
are innovator, all are still innovating their own because they are already very familiar with the traditional. They are actually giants in that market. Okay, so
Yeah.
they are actually uh, want to. They have a lot of money. They want to build a so I mean, creating the cloud software, it will take a lot of time. That's what they took the software from the OpenStack, and they are building their own infrastructure. They are going to support to their client. Okay,
Yeah.
so while studying OpenStack, we'll be get to know the core concepts. While studying AWS, we'll be get to know the UI part, what they have done it already. Okay, so this is
Yes.
what the things in this course.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay.
Okay, so the thing is, I have my laptop. It is 8 GB. Also, I have small server in my I mean, that is my sender. Okay, because I cannot go there. But if we have 8 GB system, we can configure everything on the system itself. Okay, so
Oh, okay.
I'll be showing everything through my system, because my system is 8 GB. I'll be configuring all those services, all those components of the OpenStack on this laptop. Okay, so
Oh, okay.
you'll be manually configuring everything. So initially you'll be knowing about OpenStack. So if you directly go and study the AWS, it is very hard to understand. If you build OpenStack, there is AWS is like a spoon feed. Like,
Yes, because we are from the
yeah,
ground onwards, we are
yeah.
building this, and
That's what I
the end
suggesting
result will be
people.
the
Please
AWS.
learn about OpenStack. After that, AWS will be very simple and very easy to manage.
The output of OpenStack will be
Sorry?
AWS. The output of OpenStack might be the
Yeah, yeah,
AWS
yeah.
actually.
Okay, so that is what the course curriculum. And you just finish up now, and I'll start it from the class in other day. You just confirm the date. We will start the date. We will start the course.
Sure, I'll be much looking for the course. And what are the things we are gonna cover? Do you have a curriculum of
Actually,
AWS
sir,
OpenStack?
I'll show it to you. I have
Yeah.
the OpenStack content. Uh, 1 second, I'm getting this mark. Hello? டே வந்துடுறேன்டா, கொஞ்சம் ஒரு 5 minutes. அங்கே நின்று வரேன், ஓகே.
Yeah, I hope you're in
No,
hurry
no, no,
now.
no problem, no problem. My friend is coming to see me, so uh, so this is actually the OpenStack content. Like you'll be, there is a lot of releases is coming with OpenStack. I mean, each and every 6 months they'll be releasing the new releases. Okay, so then the current release is Kylo, and the previous release is Gino. So you'll be getting know some history information, and what are the services we have in a OpenStack. You'll be configuring each service manually, but you should have information about Linux, because we are going to build everything on the Linux operating system. Okay, so I think you have information about that, right? Okay, so and you'll be configuring each node. You'll be setting lab environment. You'll be configuring each nodes, And for configuring nodes, we have some other Linux based servers like NDP, Apache kind of things, MariaDB. So everything I'll tell you, but these are all the things which is prerequisites for OpenStack. Okay, you'll be configuring everything in a manual manner. Okay, so like finally you'll be getting the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll be doing all those cloud stuffs. Okay, like in the AWS concepts, like we cannot do it anything. We cannot we cannot modify anything in the core level. We'll be seeing what are the services providing, how to create instances, how to create the VPC, and how to architect your new business in a cloud. And so what are the new services available in the available for in AWS? Everything I'll be providing. So how do you monitor your instances through scripts and through monitoring services? So this is actually I mean that guy shared things, right? So this is one, right? So which one he shared?
No, I didn't look for that attachment.
Okay. Maybe if he shared some other things. Okay, I'll share you this. Look at that. I think he shared this one. Okay, so this is what we are going to cover. I think all those stuffs is covered in this concept. Okay, so you'll be getting all those stuffs. Okay, you'll be manage your environment with a OpenStack as well as AWS. End of the course.
And overall, how much duration or